How are we doing, you wonderful people? My name is Jay, and today we're going to be unboxing the SMOK NFIX and giving our first impressions. Now, before we get into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the little notification bell. That way you guys will receive all the channel notifications and you can keep up to date with all the latest videos. But now that's out of the way, let's get into the video. As you guys know, we get hardware delivered to the store every single week. And this week we had loads of new lines in. So I thought it'd be a good idea to take you guys top down, give you an unboxing of the device and talk about my first impressions. If this device does interest you and you want to see the full review, it will be linked in the description below. For me personally, I'm actually really excited to unbox the SMOK NFIX kit, purely because it's been a while since SMOK have released a device that's purely mouth to lung. But that's enough of me talking, let's take you top down and take a look at the SMOK NFIX kit. And here we have the SMOK NFIX kit. Now, if I'm being honest, I'm actually quite excited to see how this thing performs. It's been a while since I've been excited about a SMOK product. But on the front of the box, you can see it has a variable wattage between 1 watt and 25 watts, a 700 mAh inbuilt battery, a USB Type-C for charging, which does genuinely excite me, 2 ml e-liquid capacity because of the TPD, new DC 0.8 ohm mesh pods, and a 0.69 inch OLED screen. Now on the back, it does detail everything that you need to know and does have all the security codes and warranty stickers. But let's open this up, see what's inside. Oh, I like the little peels. Get all of that out there. Now, is this a, what was a slide box? So slide that off. It's always satisfying when they're brand new, they're like airtight. So we have our instruction manuals, which is gonna have like a million different languages. And then you've got your warranty card, just to make sure it's a genuine SMOK product with the quality assurance pass stamp on there. And this is the contents of the box. So first off, I can see we've got a USB-C cable here, and it's actually a decent size. Let me just focus on there. It's nice to see companies using USB-C going forward. I just really like that feature. It means you've got a fast charge. Plus, everyone's moving over to USB-C. Micro USBs are becoming outdated now. Now I'm just going to take this out of here because it makes things a little bit easier. So as you can see, you get a spare pod, which is always nice. As we can see from this, it's a 0.8 ohm. It says it there on the chrome. I'm hoping you can see that. And it is a side fill pod. So you've got your little flap that you can pull back. It's a nice little fill-in port in there, side fill, nice and easy. There's that. I'm glad it comes with a spare pod. And let's move on to the device itself. Now, if I'm being honest, I quite like that, you know. It's got a nice silver finish. You've got your screen here and your one button that's going to do everything. Now, the pods are going to be magnetic, so we can just pull those out. You've got a little safety sticker on there to make sure it's not reading, so you don't accidentally burn the coil out while you're setting it up. And they're just going to slide straight back in there. Nice little click on that, so you know it's not going to fall out. And let's check out this screen and button. So I'm assuming, like I said, I've not unboxed this yet, so 5 clicks are going to turn it on. Now, it is adjustable wattage. I'm guessing it's 3 clicks. Yep, and that changes that. And if you push it again, it's going to go up. And if you hold it, it's going to go up quicker. Obviously, it's a 25 watt device. And then if you leave that, there we go, it sets at 25. If you want to change it again, push it 3 times. It's going to roll around. And you can just change it to whatever you like to. And you can just leave it, and then 5 clicks turns it off. Nice and simple. USB-C port at the bottom, so no standing up while you charge it, but with the shape of this you'll be able to lay it down. You've got the little NFIX on the back, and that is what you get in the box. If I'm being honest, I want to see what it vapes like. I'm genuinely interested. I like the shape. I like what it comes with. It's come with all the right things, a spare pod, USB-C, nice easy add and remove of the pods, side fill, variable wattage, which is very, very easy to use. It's the first time I picked this up, and alright, I work in the vaping industry, so it might be a little bit more common knowledge of how to work the button. So my first impressions, I think the packaging does everything it should do. It's very simple, very easy, has a nice decent sized USB-C cable straight out the box. Having 2 pods is always a bonus, but for the device itself, I think it looks very, very smart. And I think a lot of people are going to get on with this. I feel like it's going to help a lot of people make the switch from smoking to vaping. The only thing that I'll have to wait and see on is obviously the flavour and the pod life. So if you guys want to see an in-depth review on this device being set up, along with the flavour and pod life, the link is in the description, so feel free to check that out. But overall, in terms of ease of use, the magnetic pods, the filling system, I think SMOK have done a good job here. And that's the unboxing and my first impressions of the SMOK NFIX kit. But I want to know what you guys think. Do you guys like the design and the style of the SMOK NFIX kit? Is it something that you're interested in? Leave a comment down below. I love talking to you guys and hearing what you guys have to say. And that wraps up today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, be sure to leave a like. Remember to subscribe with notifications turned on if you haven't already. If you guys want to see more videos from myself, then my channel is linked in the description. And lastly, if you want to follow my day-to-day and see the behind the scenes of how these videos are put together, then make sure you follow my Instagram for my daily Instagram stories, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.